Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Thermacell mosquito repellent. So here's everything that comes in the kit. Now it's very simple to operate. Now it does have a flame inside here. And this is a fuel cell that's going to last 12 hours. Now these mats, they're inside these sealed things right here. These are going to last 12 hours also, but when they're finished, they're going to turn from a blue to a white. That's how you know that it doesn't have any more mosquito repellent in it. So you're going to slide it right in this little area right here. And what's going to happen is we're going to put the fuel cell down here. We're going to turn this, ignite it. We're going to have to look through this little window. That's going to heat up and that's going to release the mosquito repellent. So take this little lid off. Very simple. That's screwed on there. You're going to simply put this right there in the middle and you got to screw it on till it stops. Okay. Just like that. Now we've got this right here. We're going to start in the off position. We're going to go to on, but it's spring loaded to start. That's kind of like a clicker that's going to start it. So go to on and start. And you want to immediately look in this window for a red glow. Okay, it can be a little tricky to see, but there's that red glow. That's the flame inside there. That lets you know that it is ignited the butane inside here and it's not just putting out gas. So you really want to make sure that that red glow is there. If not, just keep igniting it. And all that is like a clicker. So again, make sure you've got that glow. That's how you know it's going to be working, and it's going to start heating this pad up right here. Then it's very simple. When you're done, you're simply going to turn this to the off position, and then that flame and everything will cool down. Now again, the fuel cell is enough for 12 hours, and so is the pad. And it takes about 15 minutes, but it makes a 15-foot zone around you. Yeah, and they do kind of a good job of explaining the heat activates the mosquito repellent in the mat. It does take a fuel cartridge that does make a little flame down there. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.